Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you an Ex53 error and you're trying to figure out what this is and what you can do, if anything, to get rid of it. So a couple things. First of all, the Ex53 is the motor sensor, but not the motor at the motor, but the motor sensing on the electronic control board. So it's that circuit on the control board that there's an issue with, which you're not going to repair a single circuit on a control board. Basically, what you need to do is, if you've hard reset the dryer, which is to disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes, turn it back on, and if after that the error is still persisting, then at that point what you need to do is replace the electronic control board in your dryer. Now, if you feel comfortable doing that, you're not going to call a technician to do it. I'll put a link in the description to a tutorial that will show you how to replace the electronic control board in your dryer.